Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I have something exciting to show you. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use AI to generate over 1,000 high intent leads in the next 24 hours. By the way, this is something I've done for my business, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do this for your business, and I'm going to be showing you all the stuff behind the scenes of how this works. By the way, AI is going to be here with us, and while everybody's talking about ChatGPT and all these cool ways you can use AI to write copy, I've actually discovered a way that you can use AI to start generating more leads for you with little work. So this is mind-blowing and no one else is doing this. So sit back and really listen and watch this video and understand what we are doing, because this is very, very new in the marketing space. And this is a massive, massive game changer. So I'm going to share this. This is no fluff. This is real, actionable things that you can take. And this is something I have done. I'm going to be showing you how everything works behind the scene. So let's dive in. So if you are an agency owner or you have a website and social media accounts and you're struggling with consistent lead flow, or you're not happy with your return on your marketing investment, then this video is definitely for you. So again, this is no fluff stuff. This is really giving you extreme value that what is working for my business and for my clients as well. So in the next 5 to 10 minutes, I will be showing you how we will generate 1,000 hyper-targeted leads who already know you and who are ready to buy from you without any ad spend. Again, this is a massive game changer, guys, and I'm going to be showing you because this is very exciting stuff. This is cutting edge AI stuff. Okay, so here's my offer. I'm gonna tell you the offer I make for my clients just so you understand and have some context. What we will do is we'll install our ACE Revealer system. By the way, the ACE Revealer system is an AI-powered technology into your business. And this system, what it does is it would reveal your anonymous website and social media visitors and even that of your competitors. And I'll be showing you in real time how I've done that for my business. I will show you some examples. And then what we're able to do is then to turn these reveals into book appointments done for you. Guys, this is really new because you have all of this traffic to your social media pages or to your website, and if you're lucky, maybe 5 to 10% of them convert into a phone call. How about if you're able to discover the identities of all of these people coming to your website or your social media pages, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or YouTube? Imagine if you could uncover those anonymous traffic of people coming to your site or your social media accounts, and even that of your competitors. What kind of difference would that make to your marketing if you're spending your time talking to people who already know you, who already have seen your content already, and who are more likely to buy from you? That is a massive game changer, and that is what our AI technology can do for you. So pretty amazing stuff, right? So, what are the benefits of the ACE Revealer? Well, the first thing is high intent leads. The people that our ACE Revealer reveals to you are people who have the highest intent, whether they've come to your website already or they saw one of your content on any of your social media platform and they decide to, come to your profile. Well, that's the highest intent because they've connected with you at some level. You've already paid for this traffic, whether it's through your time creating content or through money, whether you did like a paid channel, paid traffic. You've already paid for this traffic, so why not take the benefits of revealing those people that you've already paid for? And that's what our AI technology does for you. And also, they're the lowest hanging fruits. Why would you go talk to strangers when there are people who already are listening to you, who already know you, or who already like and trust you already? Why would you go pay for, why would you go talk to strangers when you could use and leverage these lower hanging fruits? And no one is leveraging AI like us for lead generation. This is a completely new approach and way of thinking about AI and thinking about lead generation with AI. And this is something that we are doing. No one else is doing this on the market. And this is extremely exciting for us. And I want to bring this value to you so you can benefit from this. And I'll be again showing you example. If you stay with me, I'll show you example of the real data sets that we're able to generate with our Revealer and what that actually looks like. So I'll be showing you if you stay on with me here. All right, so our guarantee, when we work with our clients, well, our guarantee is that we'll be able to generate 50 plus qualified appointments in 60 days, or we work for free for them. And why can we stand by this really big guarantee? Well, it's because the people that we're speaking to or reaching out to on behalf of our clients are people who already know them, who already trust them, who already like them already, who have a need that they can solve. And it's just a matter of gently knocking on their door and really just building and nurturing that relationship and then asking them to take action. And that is so much easier than going to a completely blind audience who doesn't know you, who doesn't trust you yet, who doesn't like you yet. This is a great way of thinking about marketing, and that's why we're able to do such amazing numbers for our clients. Now let me show you some quick testimonials. This is someone who closed over a $70,000 deal using our approach and our strategy. Here's another person who just closed their first clients. Just wanted to share with you, I signed up my first customer from your campaign, and then of course that was exciting. Here's another person, they closed a $3,000 four months coaching program. So we work with coaches, we work with agencies as well, and this is another person who made a sale as well. And again, there is just a few little results of people who are getting wins. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you what a real data set looks like from our reviews, and I'm going to give you some context. So I was trying to create do some outreach for my own business, and we help coaches, consultants, and agency owners, and I was trying to look for my competitors who serve my ideal audience. And this is one way we can use the ACE Revealer. We can reveal people coming to our website or your website. We can reveal people coming to your social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or YouTube, but we can also do the reviews onto the social media platform of your competitors. And let me show you how I did this for my own business. So I run a marketing agency, and one of the ideal people who I would say are my competitors, or who at least speaking to my ideal audience, is a gentleman by Charlie Morgan. I've actually met him on a sales call before. Really amazing, cool guy, and he's worked with agencies, coaches, or consultants. So these are my ideal types of audiences. Well, what we did was we used our own ACE Revealer technology to identify the people who are visiting his YouTube page, and then we're able to then put those people into work, because we know that they have a need for lead generation because they're listening to Charlie Morgan, and we can now hijack ethically all of the people who are following his, who are visiting and watching his videos. We can then reach out to them. And once we did the revealer, this is what the data actually looks like. So let me show you here very quickly. We have the email of the prospect, we have the personal email, we have the first name and last name, we have their LinkedIn profile URL, we have their job title, we have their headline from their LinkedIn profile, we have their state, city, country, we also have the name of the company that they work for, we have also the company URL that they are part of, whether it's their own business or a company that they work for. And then we have the LinkedIn URL, Twitter URL. As you can see here, we have a lot of data sets that we're able to put together with our AI technology based on our competitor. So this is pretty amazing. Now let me search and just show you what it will look like, just to show you the accuracy, because Charlie here, as you can see here, he serves agency, coaches, or consultants. So let's see how many of those people are actually agencies. So if I do my control find and I go agency, it's showing me there's 434 agencies here. As you can see here, agency, this is also an agency, creative agency, new generation agency. This is WMS agency, not sure what that means. Digital agency. As you can see, these are all agency in here. Let's see coaches. So if we go coaches, so it seems like coach, there's 34 coaches, which not too bad at all. So again, there's a number of coaches in here. And let's see consultants. So there's 73 consultants in here as well. So this gives us a good indication that this is a good data set that represents the types of audience that Charlie serves. And as you can see here from just this data set, I decided to extract 1,000 of them. So this is 1,000 of them, and we have all that information, and we optimize for their business email, because that's the most ideal way to connect with them, their business email. And let me just kind of show you again the proof that these are real data. So I'm just going to go randomly here. So let's just go anywhere here. So we have this person here, their name is Marco Vale, and let's look at their LinkedIn profile just to show you that this again is accurate. So let's go into, so this is Marco Vale, and this person, he's he has an influencer agency, it looks like. So let's see what LinkedIn actually gives us when we go into his profile here. And here we go. So this is Marco Vale, and this is his LinkedIn profile. And as you can see here, he has these aesthetic influencers. This is he's an agency. Here, as you can see here, aesthetic influencers help medical aesthetic providers amplify their voices above the noise, showing their expertise. So he helps aesthetics businesses, providers amplify their voice, and that's what it does. Let's do another random example to again show you that this is like real data. So I'm just going to go randomly here. So let's go this person here. So Susan Halam. So let's open Susan Halam's pages here. and she's a founder and shareholder here. Not quite sure what she does, but let's take a look here. So she's a digital marketing NED advisor. I'm not quite sure what that means, but again, she is an ideal client or ideal person that will watch Charlie's profile, because Charlie obviously talks to coaches, consultants, and agency owners. And as you can see here, Susan, she has a digital agency. So this shows you how accurate this data set we've gotten for Charlie is, and we can do that for you. Imagine a scenario where you're like, you know what, I want to go hijack the traffic of a competitor because they're doing better than me, or they have a bigger social media audience, or let's say, for example, your ideal clients are Gary Vee's listeners, and as you can tell, Gary Vee has millions and millions and millions of views. We can do this for you and get that data and then put that data to work for you, and that's how we're able to get tremendous, amazing results. This is real cutting edge stuff, guys. Like this, no one else is able to do what we're doing here. So this is really, really amazing, and I'm very, very excited to share this with you, and obviously to give you access to this amazing technology as well. So let's go back into our presentation here. So I've shown you what the ACE Reveals data look like. And that is kind of what we're able to do. And if you're ready to take action to explore how you can leverage this data in your business, we will actually offer you 100 free reviews to any social media of your choice. So any social media account of your choice, whether that's yours or that of a competitor. And the goal of this is to show you and show the proof of how this truly works for you and can work for you. And we'll give you 100 free reviews to build trust with you and show you how powerful this can be for you. So go to acewebsitereveal.com and book a call. And we are ready to, I would love to meet you. I or a member of my team will have a look at your business, understand what you're looking for, and then be able to add this value to you as well. If you're curious about how it works on the back end, I'm going to share some more information. So the first thing is we install our Pixel on your website or that of your client. So if you are a marketing agency, you can also offer this as a product or a service to your clients. So what we'll do is we'll install our Pixel on your website or that of your clients, and our AI will capture the contact information of over 80% of your website visitors. So whether it's through organic or through paid, once those visitors come to your website, once we've installed Pixel into your website, in combination with all the data from your Pixel, our AI will capture over 80% of the contact information of the visitors coming to your website. And our AI will also do the same for any social media profile on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. So if you have a competitor or even just your own profile on these platforms and you want to understand who are the people coming to my social media profile, we will give you that data, and then you can then put that data to work. And then our outbound team puts data to work for you via email or LinkedIn marketing, depending on what business you have and what makes the most sense. And that is how we are able to get the results for our clients and how we can get the results for you. And if you want to do the outreach yourself, totally fine as well. All we'll love to do is give you this data so you can then understand who are the most high intent people you can reach out to about your offer. And by the way, remember I said we're going to offer you 100 free reviews before you even pay us anything, so you can verify that this data actually makes sense and works for you before you even proceed with anything. Why this is a no-brainer? Well, these are again the highest intent lead. These are the people who already know you, they're familiar with you, they've trusted you already, and they're more ready to buy as well. We are able to hijack your competitors' traffic. So hijacking your competitors' traffic means that you can understand who are the people going to your competitors' social media profile, and then we can use that information to enhance your own marketing. And also, all of this is affordable. So we charge only 50 cents per reveal, which is mind-blowing for the kind of data we're giving to you. This is mind-blowing cheap. So again, this is affordable, and also we provide robust and customizable data. So if you want additional type of information about this prospect, we can enhance the data set and bring that to you. We also offer white label and partnership options. So especially if you're a marketing agency, whether you're a paid marketing agency or an organic marketing agency or a social media marketing agency, we can offer you a white label partnership where you can use this to enhance your own offer. Imagine a scenario where you tell your clients, hey, we're going to run paid ads for you, but not only are we going to try and convert all the people coming to your website, but all the people who come to your website and don't take action, we can also reach out to them for you. We can also grab their information, collect their information, and reach out to them on your behalf with your offer. That is a win-win. You can't even lose in that scenario, and that's something that we can do for you to help you generate get even more results as a marketing agency for your business, for your clients as well. My name is David. I run a marketing agency, and I've been doing this for a number of years now. And we recently released a Chrome extension tool. We are at the very cutting edge of AI, releasing tools and leveraging this new technology to help us grow our business. I have a software engineering background, which is why I'm able to do some of these things, and I'm able to combine them with marketing as well. And initially, when I was starting out my marketing agency, our focus initially was on LinkedIn specifically, but now with AI, we're able to expand beyond LinkedIn, and this is a very exciting time. I'm a dad of two. I love soccer. I love everything Premier League soccer, and if you know me, that's something I love doing as well. And also, I'm Canadian, and I'm a group marketer as well. So group marketing is the intersection of marketing and technology and software, and that's something I've been able to combine really, really well. So book a call. acewebsitereveal.com is where you can reach us and book a call with me, a member of my team, and I'd be happy to show you the power of Ace Reveal. And then we can also offer you the 100 free reviews if it makes sense, to show you how this data works for you, and then you can see it for yourself, see the proof for yourself, and then decide if it makes sense to proceed at all. So I look forward to seeing you on the call. Book a call, and we'll see you soon. Have a good day.